Preparing today double column cash book. So double column cash book has one column of cash and one column of bank. Debit side, on the debit side, because it is an asset, so on the debit side, when the cash increases it will be taken on the debit side, and when the cash decreases it will be taken on the credit side. So on the 1st April we have the cash and bank column. We have the cash or bank balance, so it is balance BD and it will be taken on the debit side because it's an asset. Cash has 88,000 and bank has a balance of 1,10,000. Second is sales of stock 1 lakh by check. It means we have sold the stock and we have received the amount by check. So sales is an income and there is an inflow of cash. Inflow will be taken on the debit side by sales account and it is by check, so we will take it on the bank column.